If you're wondering about ExamGenie AI and whether it's the right tool for you, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if ExamGenie is worth your time. Now, before we dive into the details, you can actually try ExamGenie AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is the best way to get hands-on experience without committing upfront, so make sure to take advantage of that. Let's get started. First, ExamGenie is an AI-powered exam prep tool that uses advanced algorithms to help students prepare for exams more efficiently. The software personalizes study sessions based on the user's current knowledge level, which is a game changer compared to traditional study methods. It analyzes your strengths and weaknesses, ensuring that you're not wasting time on content you already know, but instead focusing on areas that need improvement. The second thing you need to know is that ExamGenie is designed for a wide range of exams. Whether you're preparing for a high school test, a university entrance exam, or even professional certifications, this software can tailor its approach for any subject or level. The flexibility it offers makes it stand out in a crowded space. Next, the AI in ExamGenie is continuously learning and improving. This means that the more you use the software, the better it gets at predicting which questions you'll likely struggle with and what techniques will work best for you. It essentially evolves with your learning style. One of the standout features is the software's ability to provide real-time feedback. As you take practice tests or review materials, ExamGenie doesn't just give you the answers, it explains why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. This level of detail helps you understand the concepts rather than just memorizing facts, making your study sessions much more effective. If you're worried about user experience, don't be. ExamGenie has a clean, intuitive interface that makes navigation simple. There's no overwhelming amount of options or unnecessary features. Just log in, select your exam, and the AI does the rest. Even if you're not super tech savvy, this tool will feel very easy to use. Also, ExamGenie supports multiple learning formats. You're not limited to just reading text or answering multiple choice questions. You can access video tutorials, quizzes, and even interactive simulations, which can make studying feel a lot more engaging and less monotonous. Finally, it's important to mention that the results with ExamGenie are measurable. The software tracks your progress over time and shows you how much improvement you've made. This kind of data-driven approach is invaluable for anyone serious about exam preparation. It keeps you motivated and focused on your goal. So, is ExamGenie AI worth your time? From its personalized study plans to real-time feedback and measurable results, this software offers an efficient and engaging way to prepare for exams. It's particularly useful for anyone looking to optimize their study time and improve performance. And the fact that you can try it for free from the link in the description makes it a no-brainer to give it a shot. As always, I've got more AI software recommendations linked in the description that you can try out for free. After testing thousands of tools, these are the ones I believe will provide the most value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.